Hi, my name is Amanda, and I like to use this phrase to describe myself. The middle child from the Midwest who has been living in the Middle Kingdom since 2006. While living in China, I have been a TESOL instructor teaching very young children all the way up through a renowned team of surgeons. I've spent most of my teaching time in the university classroom, teaching conversational English to Chinese students and having a lot of fun with that. I'm taking this course in the process of earning my master's degree in early childhood education. I hope to, in the future, transition back to working here in the US, and I love working with children. For this course, I'm hoping to complete this course with sort of a toolbox for how I can provide play-rich environments, learning environments for my students. Two questions I've thought about so far is how does play impact the brain and influence learning, as well as how does play impact a child's overall development? When I think back to myself as a child, I remember that I loved Snoopy and Hello Kitty and all things small and cute. I often pretended to play school and house. And being a younger sister with an older brother, he often asked me to play supporting roles in whatever he had conjured up in his imagination. My passions. I have a passion for at-risk children, as well as a passion to see the gospel shared among all the nations of the world. As far as myself as an adult, I enjoy rock climbing and swing dance and karate and just having a lot of playful fun in those activities. Unfortunately, a busy schedule of teaching and studying, I haven't had much time to participate in those activities recently. One of my favorite things to do, though, are what I would call Aunt Amanda adventures. And that's when I talk to my friends, and if they've just been really tired or worn out and they just want someone to spend some time with their children and do something fun with them, I like to just be there for them and take their kids to do lots of fun things. So I am Aunt Amanda to a lot of my friends' children, and we have enjoyed many adventures together. I look forward to learning with you in this course. Thank you.